had to pop into TJ Maxx to pick up some stuff, so I wanted to show you what they had at my new out right now. They have a lot of little Halloween costumes for the kids, so they have these cute ones. These are all like $30, the little princess dresses, so they're different princess characters that you can grab for the kids, and these will come in different sizes. I didn't see what the biggest size was though, but like I said, they do have them, so if you're looking for a costume, it's always earlier the best. And these are so pretty because they have like those big poof skirt bottoms. They have these right here. So if your kids like little characters, so they have the dinosaur one, and you can see it got a bunch of cute little details, and it has the legs too on that one right there. $25. They have this cute little Spider-Man costume right here, $15. And it comes with some cute little shoes, like little boots that go with that they can put over their shoes. They have the horse, so they'll put the little hat on, so the horse will be like wrapped around their waist and stuff like that. So it's like they're riding the horse. I didn't see a price on that one, but I'm assuming it's around that $25 range. They had the little fire department truck that they can grab, but they had a lot of cute little options. These bags, so we saw a lot of the bags before, like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, they'll be the same. But these I thought were cute. So they have this one right here with like the Sherpa detail on it. They have these Steve Madden, kind of like a backpack piece. So these have the quilting like in the front. They have the Steve Madden logo on the strap there. $50 for those. They had them in two different colors at my TJ Maxx. This right here I just thought was interesting because it kind of has like an antique look the way the fabric is. It has like a bunch of different little beading details and stuff on it. Even in the strap, $30 for that one. This Jessica Simpson one I thought was another cute style one. It has like even a little feather metal piece on there. $40 for that one right there. This bag, the color is perfect for fall, and if you like those big bows and stuff like that, they had that one. $25 for that one. This right here, so TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all of them have those different brands and stuff. So $30 for that, and have like a distressed look, which I thought was cute. This one is another Steve Madden one. This one is a smaller one, but you can see it comes with like the little coin purse there, the SM logo on the front right there. So $30 for that one. This Calvin Klein one, just a nice, simple, classic style bag, but it has a lot of little details. It has the chain on it. It has just the contrast in colors. I just thought it was cute. So $70 for that one right there. This one right here, another one of those like Italian brands, but this one was on sale. So you can grab that. And that's like a little mini backpack kind of look too. And that one was on sale. You could save about a little over $10 on that one because it was $48. This one, another cute small bag, but it's like a nice neutral color. I thought that one was cute. So if you like a neutral bag, and it wasn't expensive at all, $15. This, another DKNY bag. So they have like a lot of little designer bags here at TJ Maxx right now. So $50 for that one right there. And then this Calvin Klein one, another cute simple one. This one comes with a little coin purse, $70 for that one right there. This bag I just thought it was cute. It's like a little pop of color. It has a nice shape. It's in that bold red. It has like silver hardware on it. So I just thought that was nice and not expensive at all. $25 for that. So fall is coming. So they have like cardigans, sweaters, all kind of different things. I thought this was nice. It has the hood. It kind of gives you a poncho feel, but it's not a poncho. So it's like between a cardigan and poncho kind of feel. $40 for that one. This little like plaid like jacket, but it was like a knit. So it's like a blazer, but not a blazer at the same time, if that makes sense, because it was like all knitted. So it was like a knit piece, but $30 for that one right there. It has a little front pockets and stuff on it, but it's not, again, like that blazer material. It's like a knit. This dress I thought was pretty with the pleating details. It has like the cinched in waist on it. It is sleeveless, but it has like a high neck, so it plays into like the fall. And then like it buttons in the back. So that was cute. $25 for that one. This one, another nice green color. I'm liking greens this season. So this is like kind of like a maxi tier dress. It has like the V neckline on it. $35 for that one right there. So if you're looking for some dresses for the season, you might want to have a TJ Maxx. This one is like a nice office one. So I don't know if it's picking up all the different colors that it has in it, but it has like a lot of different like little colors in it. So Calvin Klein, sleeveless, but it's like that heavy material. So, and it has a belted waist too. So $40 for that one right there. They have a lot of Halloween fall different items. A lot of these, I think, again, we might have saw, so I didn't go over everything, but a lot of the skeleton pieces, $17 for those. And that's the Hear No Evil, See No Evil stack skeletons. But that was cute. This one, cute one too, with a little gold snake coming out, just like a pop. $15 for that one right there. They have a lot of ghosts. They have just a lot of different things. This right here, super cute, and it has a light in it, I think. So Martha Stewart, $8 for that. This one right here, I saw, it was funny. I saw online people were like, Home Goods, someplace else, and then Dollar Tree, and they were comparing something that looks like this. But I haven't seen anything for $1.25 at Dollar Tree that looks like that size. But it looked like that they were holding, so maybe there's a smaller version of that too. These little ghosts, I think we might have saw these, but they're cute. So there's a little ghost family. It's like a knit, so $17 for that. These guys I thought were cute too, so just like a cute little piece of shelf decor. $13 for that one right there. So yeah, like I said, they have a ton of cute little, and these are all white, so they have like that neutral look to them. But $10 for this one right here. They have throw pillows, they have throw blankets, so you can grab those. These I thought were nice. They're like a decent size, and then that knit, and the print is on the front and the back. So $25 for the ghost one right there. This one real pretty with the colors, just nice and vivid. And this one right here was, I think, 20. Oh yeah, $20 for that one right there. They had these hats. They were out of place, but hats are always good for the fall season to go with your outfits. This one, a nice neutral color. It has a little band on it with the little bow kind of detail. And they both were adjustable. So they had the adjustable straps inside. But $13 for that one right there. So just like a fedora style hat. This one with like the buckle strap on it. Thought that was cute. And another one that plays into those fall colors and adjustable in the inside. $13 for that one right there. I think you might have saw the stool, but I like it. It is nice. It is neutral. It swivels all the way around. I couldn't find a tag on that one right there. So, but I do think we saw this one before. This little bench, another cute one. So good for storage. So if you do like the shoes, like in the front of my like home when I come in, I put the shoes and stuff. This would be good to sit. You can take off your shoes, put the shoes in the little cubbies there. This little bench, another nice neutral color, and it has like those nice classic style legs, which I think are cute. And the brown goes nice with this like color right here. So $130 for that one. This one, another bench. They had a lot of cute benches in today. And this one has storage. So $150 for that. So you can lift it up, store the stuff in there. This one, another cute one. A lot of times they have these in different colors too. And this one, another one that I like the legs. So it's gray, it has tufted, it has those cute little curved sides on it. This one didn't have a tag, but I'm assuming it's around the same price as the other one. Office chairs. I think we might have saw this one, but it is cute. It's like that bold kind of grand look for your office. So if you don't want like a traditional office chair, this one is cute. $130 for that one, and it has like the nail head details. These little Jack Skeleton plates, thought they were cute. I think we saw some other plates like this, but not the Jack Skeleton ones. So I thought those were cute. $5, and it has a little gold trim around it, which I think just adds another little extra. A lot of the shoes we saw, but I don't think we saw these. So this olive green, real nice. It has the quilting, it has the gold zipper and the other gold little hardware on it. $40 for these, and they had a few pair in at my TJ Maxx today. The hair bows, we haven't looked at in a long time, so I took my daughter here, and so I was telling them look for the hair clips. So I was just wanted to show you a few of them. This would have been great for the Barbie movie. Did you see it? So $8 for that. These right here, the little drinks, $6 for those. These like the clippy ones, the little cat ones right here. You can grab those for $7. Yeah, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. They have a lot of cute little hair clips. These little dogs, so cute, $10. That one is like a little corgi. Thought it was so cute. That one, I think it's like a little French bulldog. These little fishbone ones, cute too, $6 for those. These are like big butterflies. So when they're in your hair, they look like, big butterflies and like a marble kind of print. $8 for those. Halloween themed ones. These are like the bobby pin clips. So $6 for those. These are really big right here. I thought those were cute. So you get two in those. $7 for that right there. Then some more like Halloween decor. This basket is so cute. So it's kind of like a Frankenstein. You see the big nails on the side. So it's like kind of like a Frankenstein jack-o'-lantern type piece. $20 for that. And it's like a nice little wood. So that's a neutral. They have the little decor pieces that you can put around. $17 for this guy. It looks like it moves, like it's animated or something the way it's built, but it didn't move. But I don't know if maybe it does. This right here, $20. So it's like the Mandalorian. thought that was cute. And of course the dish towels and stuff. So kitchenware, they have tablecloths, all that stuff. But the tea towels I'm liking right now because they come in a pack of three, $10, and you get a different print in each one. So you can catch the pack of three, really cool because the price is good. At least to me, I think it is. They still have packs of two too, but you might want to head over to your TJ Maxx and see what they have in right now.